Here is how the cables are organized. So these all have what the amps are on each one. And this is a Lightning Type C. Is the multi-use ones. Then I have micro USB-B connectors, which are in a bag separately. Then I have automobile charging. Then I have USB minis and other things. So these are those random ones are these blocky looking things here that we really don't use too often, but we may use. And everything's bagged. I need to label all these. There's some random ones that are not those block ones. Let's see if I have an example of that. Oh, mainly these block ones, maybe I should label those. I like this long one right here for the old iPad from like years ago. Type C is the newest thing. All my Type C's are here. They're all bagged and labeled. This is the most Lightning one. That's one that Apple uses for their iPads. And what else do I have here? I have Arlo. I have portable drives. I have those earbuds that are duty free at the airport. In case we ever need earbuds. I have a junky technology box. A data storage box. It's just random stuff. These are portable drives and memory sticks and chargers for recharging your phone. And then, which is the one I have the most of? Is this Type B one? Compatible with many electronic devices, yeah. This one here, let's see it. This one here is for like cameras or whatever. I got so many of these. So many lengths too. Small ones, short ones, long ones, whatever. But they're here in case we need them. So this is how I organized all the things. So the last thing I need to do is just bag these and label which ones are what. And you can find those on the internet of what these things are called. So if someone says I need a Type B, macro, mini, micro, whatever, they're all going to be here, and they're all going to be in bags. I don't know. Maybe I'll have a yard sale, 3 for $1 later on. So there you go.